I already moisturized my skin with this e.l.f. Daily Hydration, which I mentioned in my haul. So make sure you guys check that out. And then I also used the e.l.f. Illuminating Eye Cream to put under my eyeballs for my black circles. Mention any of the products in this video and what I'm using. Don't even trip. It'll be down below in the description box. So don't even trip. I got you, girl. Today is just a filming day. Like, I'm literally on a filming day mood. I don't know about you guys, but do you guys think the pomade can dry out sometimes? It's not Anastasia Beverly Hills. I always like to spray a little bit of setting spray just to get a little bit of moisture in there so it's not so like dry and stiff. I love Anastasia Beverly Hills. They're like a really good company. If you guys want me to do like an eyebrow routine, let me know and I will do so. I have not done an updated eyebrow routine in a while. It's been a very great while. I hate when sometimes your eyebrows look so bomb.com and some days they just look horrid. Like one looks different than the other. Like Nicole Guerrero says, your eyebrows are cousins and not sisters. So, or something like that, but I will link her down below. I love watching her videos. She's amazeballs. I feel like I haven't really done one of these before. Just like get ready and just chit chat with you guys. But yeah, I hate that my eyebrows are so freaking thick. I literally hate them. I get my eyebrows threaded, by the way, because I used to get them waxed and I just feel like threading is so much better than waxing, in my opinion though. My goal this year is to really try to get into a PR list, because that would be so amazing. Like, you guys have no idea, that's always been my goal, but I swear I need to achieve it this year because I've been slacking. But I'm just so happy that Carbon Coco, I will actually link my video down below, that Carbon Coco reached out to me and was like, we want you to try our products and stuff like that. Like, that was such an honor. I'm actually using this Bare Essentials concealer brush. Come inside, love. Come on. Sorry guys, if my dog's out in the patio and he wants to come inside and he's like growling at me. Oh my god, does anyone else watch the Ace family? Like, I freaking love them. Their daughter Elle is freaking adorable. Like, literally, they're a recently engaged couple with a daughter. Oh my god, they're so cute, and they live in this big ass house. You know what I'm saying? Okay, who else do I watch on YouTube that I can share with you guys so you guys can go and subscribe because they're freaking awesome? So the Ace family I watch all the time. I watch What Would Lizzy Do. I've been watching her since I started my videos, my beauty videos. She's freaking amazing. I love her. Who else do I watch? I watch Daisy Marquez. I love ILUVSARAHI. She's like one of my favorites as well. I freaking love her. I watch Makeup by Shayla. Who else do I watch? I watch Beauty by Bird. Freaking watch so many people. My videos have come a long way from filming on my phone, from filming on a little ass camera to filming on a nice expensive Canon camera, and then having good lighting now is freaking bomb. Like, I feel like my videos have come a long way. I've learned it all on my own, on how to edit, new softwares to use. I feel like I've come a long way and I'm so proud of myself because I wouldn't be able to, I wouldn't do it without you guys. Like, you guys have no idea. You guys have been my love and support. I'm just so happy that you guys have been rocking with me for so long since I've started. Like, you guys have no idea how much that means to me. The foundation that I love using, and it's super freaking affordable. It is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in Golden Beige. Freaking love this foundation. It works wonders, and it's only freaking $5. Like, and I've been breaking out because, you know, it's that time of the month. I hate when I break out. It's the worst. I think it's like the worst enemy for us girls. But I mainly break out when it's that time of the month. And it being like the horrible ass places, I'm like, really? And I'm just gonna go with the Sigma Flat Kabuki and F80. I freaking love Sigma brushes. Brushes are so good. I've been using them since I started YouTube. Since I've been doing videos and stuff like that. Like, freaking love Sigma. So Sigma, if you're watching this, I should be in your PR list. Bristles are super duper soft. And that's my fiance texting me because he's at a conference. I mean, not a conference, at a training, and he says it's so boring and I feel so bad. So he's like texting me. I love that he supports me in everything that I do. Like, you gotta have that support system, you know what I'm saying? Freaking love this foundation. It comes out so bomb.com. See? Perfect canvas. But I think I need some concealer. So we're gonna go with Born This Way Too Faced concealer in light. Just to conceal a little bit. I'm not putting too much. Just gonna spray my beauty blender. Excuse me, it's a little bit dirty. Do is just pat under the eyeballs. I'm gonna use the Air Spun. Oh shit, I think I put too much. Whew. The only thing I must say about this powder, you guys, is that it smells like a viejita. Like, literally. It's just so perfumey. If you guys don't know what viejita is, it's like, it just smells so old lady-ish, you know? So excited that I'm gonna be filming a lot more for you guys and just putting up so many videos twice a week. I used to film every 2 weeks, and I've delivered, and it's time to deliver some more for you guys because you guys deserve it. And I just love you guys so much. So if we can reach 2,000 subscribers, you guys have no idea how much that'll mean to me. So go and tell your family, your friends, your grandma, your grandpa, your aunts, your uncles, your cousins, your dog, your cat. Just tell them to hit that subscribe button. Painting these brows because these brows hairs can get a little cray. Just so amazing to see someone go from no subscribers to like 1 million basically. It's just freaking awesome. I think it's awesome. I mean, I've come a long way too, but you know, I don't know, I have like mixed emotions about it because I'm like, it's not about the views, it's not about the numbers, you know, it's about who you impact, you know, and who really takes your videos seriously. And you know, I don't know, I just get all like, I worry about that kind of stuff when I shouldn't be, because it's not about that. A lot of the YouTubers too have changed so much as far as like, I don't even know if they're the same anymore, like from when they started to like when they started getting big. Like, I feel like they're not so humble and they're like so fake. I'm not gonna mention any names because I don't think that's right. A lot of people just changed and I'm like, why? Just stay humble, you know? Well, that's just me though. That's just me. I don't know, if I was to really succeed up in this YouTube life, because that YouTube life is hella hard. Like, so much competition. Like, damn, YouTube really changed so much than like when I started. YouTube was not like this. They didn't have no YouTube Red. They didn't have any of that. You didn't have to pay to, like, there's just so much stuff. Like, I'm just like, damn. I'm gonna use this one right here. It's that perfect pink. I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild brush. Tap, tap, tap. But if you guys want me to film like specific videos, just let your girl know, so I know what you guys like to see. I'm showing you guys basically the way I do my makeup when I'm going to work. It's super quick, super simple, super fast. You know, I'm not taking the time to make my contour and blush like super perfect. It's just something so quick, fast, get her done. The BALM Luminizer, BALM Cosmetics. This is how it looks. I'm using a Real Techniques brush. It's our contour brush, but I don't use it to contour. I use it for the highlighter. Like, look at that highlight though. The highlight popping. That looks good, don't you think? See, it looks like super natural, not so much, you know, going on very simple, very fast, very quick. And then kids these days. Make sure there's no harshy lines. I can't talk to you guys because then I'll fuck up my lashes. I'm going in with the Wet n Wild 508A. It's an oldie but goodie. It's Jordana. You can find Jordana at Walgreens. Alright, and I guess that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair and I'll be back. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and this new hair that I got going on. Just trying something different because I feel like I always have my hair up in a bun. If you guys would like to see more get ready with me videos where I chit chat with you guys and just talk to you guys, like this video and I will be filming more of these for you guys. And I love you guys so much. Bye.